Hey there and welcome back to the channel, and this video is regarding the washing of this car. So this is a Ford Ecosport and it's quite dirty now. And in this video I will show you how I will be washing this car in the home and clearing out the dirts out from this car. So stay tuned to this video till the end and I hope you will enjoy watching it. So as you can check, this car is quite dirty now, and especially in this, it's a white color, so in the camera it's not visible on the white portion, but if you check out properly you can see there are lots of dirts in the car. And in this portion, this is a fiber portion of the car and it's also got so much of muds in it, and it's a 4-year-old car, so the fiber portions of the car is quite dull, so you need to use some polishes. You can check out inside these wheels also there are so much of dirts. Even in the rooftop also there are so much dirts, and how you can wash them in your car. Ecosport is quite tall, so some steps to clean out the rooftop also I will be discussing in this video. You can check out this portion also where the water is drained out. There also you will be finding so much of muds and dirts and leaves are there. Even in the interiors also there are so much of dirts, and you need to use some vacuum cleaners and brushes to clean out the interior dirt. And if you check out properly inside these doors handles, there are some ports in the Ecosport and they get dirty over these years, and by washing or using wet clothes also you won't be able to clear it out, and you need to use some polish. So you can see the fiber portions are now quite dull, and after washing, cleaning them in the home only, you can shine these portions. And there are so much dirts in the glove box also, so let's see how we can clear them out. Even in the mats also there are so much of dirts. You can check out there are so much of sands in the lower portion, and you need to use the vacuums. And even in the AC vents near this infotainment system screen, everywhere if you check out properly there are so much of dust particles, and that need to be removed out from this car, and I will show you how you can remove it from your home only. And the same case for the rear passenger seats also, there are so much of muds and dusts are there, so you need to wash them properly. You can check out this portion also, there are some dust particles, so let's see how you can clear them out. So for clearing them I have these things. So first of all, this is a small cloth and sponge for polish, and this brush is for taking out the dirts from the floor of the car, and this is the cowling for the windshields and glass portions. Even you can clear the fiber portions. And this is the car shampoo and polish. So this is the shampoo and polish from wax pole. So you need to dissolve this into the water and you can apply it in the car to clean out every small scratches, and even it also clears the dirt out from this car. And the next thing which we have is the polish. So this is the wax pole vinyl dashboard polish. So the ports where the dashboard is quite dull now, so you can apply this, and it's a good car polish. I have been using it for quite a long time and it lasts for almost 1 month. And similarly this is also from wax pole vinyl leather polish, and it's also very good. It's especially for the leather wrapped steering wheels and some other leather portions of the car's seat covers and some clothes. So the first step is to apply water into the car. You can use any mug, or even if you are having any high speed pipelines, or you can use any motors. and you can apply water into the car. And if you are having any high speed pressure pipes, then you can also clean the wheels also. And if any portion is not cleaned out, you can use your hand or rub it with some clothes to wash them properly. So once you are done with applying water into the entire car, now the next step is add some shampoo in a mug of water and mix it properly, and then use any soft clothes or you can use any microfiber clothes and apply it into the car. And don't force too hard or too light, apply a medium force to apply it into the car. And in portions where you have scratches, you can do some hard rubbing, and in places where you have lots of muds and dirts, you can put it quite harder and apply it into the entire car, even in the fiber portions and in the tires, in the alloy wheels and every portions of the car, and even in the windshields and every portion which is in the external part of the car. Now, to get access to the rooftop of this Ford Ecosport, you can open the front driver's side doors or the passenger side doors, and you can stand on the door and you will easily get access to the front rooftop as well as these huge windshields. And for the rear, you can also stand on the rear wheel and you will be easily getting access to the back sides of this rooftop. So once you are done with applying shampoo into entire car, now the third step is to wash out the shampoo from the car. So apply water to wash out the shampoos from this car. Also remember one thing, while climbing on this car into the wheels, don't forget to put the car into gear or to engage the parking brakes, or else the car will move. So once you are done with washing out the shampoo from the car, now the fourth step is to clear the extra water from the car. If possible, you can keep the car in light sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can use any dry clothes or any dry thing to clean the extra water from the car, and then you can apply the polish or you can apply the cologne. Also remember to clean the extra water from the windshields, or else it will get water spots in the windows and in the body of the car. So remember to wash out the extra water droplets out from the car. Now once you are done with removing the water droplets from the car, now the next step is to apply cologne in the windows and in the glass portions of the cars, in the mirrors as well. So the cologne will make sure that there is no water spots in the windows or in the windshield of the car, and it will make the surface more glossy. So once you are done with the cologne, now the next step is to apply this dashboard polish in the fiber parts of the car. As you can see, the fiber parts of this car is quite dull now. After washing it with shampoos also, these dirts are not coming out from this car, and these fiber portions of the car is now faded. So in order to get the shine back from these fiber portions of this car, you need to apply this dashboard polish. You can use any plastic polish in these portions to get the shine back from the car. So this is how you can clean the exterior portion of the car. and in the next video I will be uploading how to clean the interior parts of the car using the vacuum cleaner and to apply the interior polish in the car as well as the leather polish. Hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you like the content, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification for future updates. Stay safe, and I wish to see you in the next one.